Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Back by popular demand, today we have a true hit K-pop mashup dance workout. That means there are going to be 4 high-intensity dance moves on rotation. In between each of those moves, you're going to do an active rest. This time you'll be doing pony steps in between each move, like this. And then these 4 different moves will repeat 5 times for a total of 5 sets and 20 moves. So don't worry, if you don't get the high-intensity moves the first time, they will come around again. If you put your heart and soul into it and do it at 100%, you can burn up to 100 calories in this workout. All right, let's get started.
First up, we're going to start with some warm-up moves. Alright, get ready to do some hit dance moves with set 1 starting now.
Everybody say blah to make it bounce like 너 때문에 온몸이 타올라 너 때문에 심장이 목말라 like a fever 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 너라고 싶어 너라고 싶어 우리 서로 스며들어 친구보다 더 다른 아이가 You're my baby 한국에 설레게 해 You know that I can 무슨 말을 필요해 난 정확해 Like a sticker 어떤 눈으로 It's not video mix like a sticker 갈수록 보는 느낌만이 잘가 같이 보길 원한다면 작은 영원이야 난 제발 이도 모르 제발 난 널 몰라 So be a try 우리 시간 따라 흘러가리라 바람 따라 I just want you near 이 밤은 짧고 넌 당연하지 않아 서툴러 숨겨봐도 탈로날 걸 Yo, you're my universe 별은 따윈 던져 You the lens flavor I'm saying no way 너는 다 투명해 그저 내 눈에 갈수록 격해진 물살은 우리에게 주어진 chance 자꾸 미소 짓게 돼 물방울을 놓치기보다는 또 반짝거려 눈이 부신 내 곳에
Awesome job, guys! Now let's really lock those moves down in set 2.
나와 Hands 때문일까 그 끝을 가는 후 힘들 거라고 얘기했어 그래서 난 이 밤을 고통해 baby 쏟아져 그런 고민하지 마 어서 올라자 시간이 그렇게 꾹꾹꾹꾹 꿈이렇게 내릴게 우리는 그렇게 살아 어느 누구보다도 한 번의 kindness 내 시험을 지켜 Give me your voices 모르겠어 why 내 운명은 what 뭐일까 좀 납작고 말 Feel you lost my mind 이런 게 바로 무엇인기라 모두가 pay 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 only for pay 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 I'm a high not a ray I'm a high what's going on You can run but they always fall 먼저 가 in your heart
You go to much content 나도 배우니까 you're never time Let's bring it back to 90s Oh my welcome to other world Ice coffee broke up 들이 마셔 빛깔 그대 향연
I wanna go back to the good times
세상이 원래 불공평해 내린 커피 한 잔 아이스로 할래 아주 여유롭게 가진 네가 아픈 네가 너의 숨을 꽉 친 채 들어가 나의 덕이 들어가 어쨌든 손을 놓쳐 난 절대 포기 못해
Sidestep right left to my beat it 오랜만 I like the moon rock with me baby Here we go 노래가 간대히 Let me show you kiss cock and shit Sidestep right left to my beat Get it, let's go Everybody clap your hands Everybody clap your hands Kick that shake Everybody clap your hands Let's make a move You're the one that I want Hey, hey, hey The one that I need Hey, hey, hey
날 설레었던 걸 너 왜 몰라
Let me do Let me do
Killing me 이제 모두 해줄게
Hey, you repeat after me, say Keep going Beautiful life Beautiful heart 삶에 밝으면 hands Okay, 내게 말해줘 Can we stay together? Can we stay together?
Oh I should have
우리의 소리 나의 행복의 감정이 같이 왜 몰아치는 건데 뭘
네가 같은 나의
Teardrop
You have stolen my heart Oh yeah Come to know 알아가 말아가 설레는 게 Right in straight to my heart Oh yeah Come to know
Come on, move right Ultimate 날 보면 느낀 날 물들여 We got this young love Ultimate I like the feeling 그리고 있어 I like this drama Finally now
Yeah
It's my time
기분이 들까 Next time Next time 거리는 시선이 쏟아져
네 손을 잡은 내 손 상처 뿌리지만 It doesn't matter when I'm with you
만들어 자국으로 가득한 무대 위에 올라 새로운 왜 두근거려 왜 골리듯을 받아 뭐래도 뭐라도 돼 오늘 너는 달려 Down spring and 설레는 조명이 완전 커피 장난의 비상도 밤새도록 춤을 애쓰고 되는 내가 달콤한 I got you ADT up to you
Alright, we got a little bit longer of a rest now. We are preparing for our final set where we're going to do all 4 dance moves all together with no rest in between. Okay, guys, take a deep breath and we're about to go into our final stretch. You got this.
Awesome job, guys. A workout complete. Thank you guys so much for all the love you gave my last 10-minute HIIT dance workout. It inspired me to create this one. You can find the last one linked right here. And if you want to access a more exclusive K-pop dance workouts, be sure to check out my Patreon, linked right up here. Alright guys, as always, if you like this video, please leave me a comment down below. Hit that like button, and I will see you guys next time.